Stop chasing money in 2024. Use Neville Goddard's bizarre money manifestation trick instead. Does this sound like you? It is a new year, but you are still worried about money. The bills keep coming, but your bank account stays the same. You are tired of chasing money, but unsure how to manifest more of it into your life. Well, buckle up, because you are about to discover a totally bizarre trick from Neville Goddard to effortlessly manifest money through the power of your imagination. We have all heard the saying, money does not grow on trees, but what if money could literally fall from the sky? What if cash rained down upon us gently like leaves fluttering in the autumn breeze? Sounds impossible, right? Well, according to spiritual teachers like Neville Goddard, our imagination is the creative force that shapes our outer world. So if we can imagine money pouring down on us, we can make it our reality. This notion might sound silly at first, but Neville shares a convincing example of how one man manifested extra money right before tax day just by imagining it. He pictured money raining down on him during his commute home from work one day. The next day, his boss surprised him with a retroactive raise and bonus check right before the tax deadline. What caused this sudden influx of cash? It was not random luck or his boss' kindness. It was the man's consistent imagination. Neville explains that our third world springs forth from our imagination and assumptions. So instead of focusing on lack or facts, we must assume and feel that we already have wealth. We must ignore the pressure of bills and deadlines and simply envision money flowing to us effortlessly. The Bible echoes this idea in Mark 11:24, saying, "Whatever you ask for in a prayer, believe that you have received it, and it will be yours." This verse urges us to assume the feeling of already having what we prayed for. Feeling is the secret sauce. Vividly imagining money falling around us till we are overflowing with the feeling of abundance will manifest it into form. Now, does this mean we should quit our jobs and just daydream all day? Of course not. Effort and action are still important, but from a state of lack, our actions come from a place of desperation and usually backfire. We must assume the feeling of already being wealthy first. From this mindset, we will be guided to inspired actions. The Bhagavad Gita reflects this idea. It says, "You have a right to perform your prescribed duty, but you are not entitled to the fruits of action." We must detach from outcome and have faith that our inspired actions will bear fruit. Manifesting money may sound superficial, but abundance allows us to be blessing to others. In Matthew 25:14-30, Jesus shares the parable of the talents. A wealthy man entrusts his servants with gold talents to invest while he is away. Upon his return, the servants who doubled their talents are rewarded for their faithfulness. But the servant buried his talent is punished for his inaction. This parable urges us to magnify the abundance universe gives us. Money is divine energy that should circulate. Hoarding or playing small only blocks our good. Now, let us get practical. How can we apply these principles to manifest money fast? Here are some simple techniques. First, get specific. Decide on an exact dollar amount you wish to receive and by when. This gives the universe a clear goal to work towards. Next, enter the feeling state of already having this money. Imagine seeing the exact dollar amount in your bank account right now. Feel the emotions you would experience if your wish was fulfilled today. Excitement, relief, happiness. Reach that feeling place through visualization. You can also affirm, I am grateful that $10,000 has come to me easily and effortlessly. Speak these words slowly, feeling their truth, or write them repeatedly in a journal to imprint them on your subconscious mind. Affirmations reprogram your core beliefs so you embody the energy of wealth. Finally, act from this new state of being wealthy. Make financial decisions from a place of abundance, not lack. If inspired ideas arise to generate more income, follow them without hesitation or doubt. Our actions must align with our new assumptions of wealth. While taking these steps, release attachment to how your money will come and any deadlines. Trust that your manifestation is already unfolding behind the scenes in the quantum field through the invisible power of your imagination. Be patient but persist in your new assumption. Let us turn money worries into excitement and gratitude through the power of our imagination. This is not airy-fairy wishful thinking. It is taking responsibility as co-creators to shape our reality. As Neville reminds us, you get what you feel to be true, not what you want to be true. When we wholeheartedly assume and feel financial abundance, the universe will rearrange itself to make it so. Wealth is our natural state as children of the divine. Money is just energy we can direct through focused imagination. Any feeling of unworthiness or lack are just illusions we adopted. But we can rewrite our inner world. Close your eyes now and see money raining down on you. Feel the lightness and joy it brings. This is the first step towards wealth manifestation. Keep consistently immersing yourself in this inner experience. Then watch the magic unfold. The old saying is wrong. Money can grow on trees or fall from the sky when we consciously plant the seed of imagination. As Neville said, what you assume and feel as true will harden into fact. The power lies within you. Feel abundance now and it shall be yours. We are limitless beings. Imagine boldly and money will flow to you endlessly. The time is now.